My name is Nai.
What is your workshop?
I am a high ropes workshop.
Do you enjoy it?
I absolutely love it. I've been doing it every day and I do climbing combo and it's fantastic.
Thank you. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Daniel. I'm from Colombia.
What is your workshop?
My first workshop is rolling adventures, and I was in archery too.
Do you enjoy it?
I love it.
Thank you. Hello, what is your name?
I'm Kunal.
What is your workshop?
Rocketry. Check out that awesome rocket right there. It's about to explode. It's about to fly all the way to space. It's gonna land on the moon.
Do you enjoy it?
Oh, I love it. You should check out the rocket launch. It's a really special one. I love it so much.
Thank you.
Of course, there's no connection.
There's no connection. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
What is your name?
My name's Tegan.
What workshop are you in right now?
I'm in woodworking.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Kelly.
What is your workshop?
This is pottery.
Do you enjoy it?
I absolutely enjoy it. I'm an art teacher of 14 years and I've been working at camp for 4 years and I plan on working at least for 2 more summers because I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.